One of my friend asked me, how do I manage all the things throughout the day? That is to do next thing in the day. So what I told him is I've set up systems on my mobile phone and on my, which helps me tell me that I have to do next. And me, so you can also build a structure or system like this. So let's through that what is it that I have and for me on my mobile phone. So let me take you to my home screen. Now my home screen has multiple widgets, and I'll give you a walkthrough of which are those widgets and it. So starting from the top, you see a weather and a day widget, and over here it says it's 7:36, 14 July, right now for 8 a.m. The next is time meter. So this is a pivot from the time meter, and right now it is saying that I'm using Mindsweep activity right now to come up with thoughts, ideas, and action items that I need to add it or that I need to put in my to-do list. This which activity that I'm doing and I'm going ahead with. In the screen is my Google Calendar. So my Google Calendar is showing what are the appointments, what are the events that are going to happen throughout the day, so that I'm well informed. I can scroll this and I can see what are the things that are going to or that I'm going to show up. I'm ready for it. Below that, there is a widget which gives me a snapshot of what are the things that I have to do or I have to complete from my to-do list. So over here you see there are about 6 action items. They are listed in sequence. Already, I just have to the bottom, and it also shows me how they expect I'm going to take to complete this activity. So this is my home screen. Whenever I my mobile phone, this is what I see. So it's a constant reminder what is it that I'm currently doing, that is on the topmost of the screen. What is it that I have to face or I have to deal with throughout the day, that is my regular Google Calendar, and what is lined up for me. So that is from my to-do list. Also, when I swipe left, there is another widget. There is this clock. Now this clock is nothing but a Pomodoro. It's a countdown timer. Pomodoro. If I click on it, it will give me a countdown of 25 minutes. So in case if I'm working on or there is something that I've taken, it will give a ring once the is over, and then I can go ahead and 5 minutes of compulsory break. The next widgets are near are the ones that are on and off widgets, which says that have I completed learning activities done through the day. So these are just tick mark items. Now let me also tell you how or from where you can get these widgets. So first thing first, let me share you about the launcher. Okay, so which is the launcher that I'm using for my mobile phone. It's a smart launcher. Okay, so this is the smart launcher that you see over here. It on your mobile phone. I recommend if there is you're used to, you can use that. This works best. And taking the premium version of this launcher. The next one app that you see is date and time app. Sorry, weather and time app. So which is their default, and you can pick. The next widget is from app which is called as time meter. Okay, so I'm just that you can search it, you can view it. Sheet, you can install it, and you can once you do widget for that. So I've told you how you can get this widget. The middle widget, which is Google Calendar. When free. So I'm going to search that. Okay, so what and when free widget, it's a bit difficult to search it out. You get it from here. So if I go to rate my Play Store, okay, this is the widget that you see. So this you want to download. So widget what and when the creator or developer of this app. App, and the is you can multiple calendars on your mobile phone. The bottom widget that you see, it shows next action items. For me, this one is from Ultimate To-Do List. So I'll just show it to you from where you can get it. So this is and you can start using it. So this is a to-do list. Once you start using this to-do list, the widget, and you can put the widget on really a beautiful to-do list app. I liked premium version for this. This is the most when I slide left, the top one that you see is a Pomodoro. Okay, and I'll show you from where I've this Pomodoro widget. It's called as Clock Pomodoro. Okay, so Clockwork. Yeah, Clockwork Tomato. Okay, so correction over there, and you can install it and you can start using it. I reviewed multiple. This is the one that I found it to be quite versatile, full of. So I recommend to. Now the widget immediately next are from MyChain app. I'll show you from where you can get MyChain app. This one is a MyChain. This is another simple but very powerful app that is to track things which are important. You can download it. It's simple. It provides are quite amazing. I must have and then come to the conclusion that this is one that suits me. And you more for this. So MyChain app out, and you can see if that, and you can have the widgets of MyChain app over here. This app calendar schedule that you see. How do I got it? From where did I get it? So this is again from the what and where free. So this I got it. What I can do is when I go over here, settings of this app, there is a setting that I can choose which calendar that I or timetable as one of my calendar to show. So that is already in my Google Calendar as a separate calendar, and I can use it from there. And on the home screen, the one which shows my default calendar, this one, if I go to that setting, you will be able to find that, okay, holiday, Indian holidays, and then my Google Calendar, the default one, is showing up. Okay, so that is the reason how I'm able to see two different calendars in a mobile this widget. So this is really powerful. Then another thing over here I'd like to show you is next action. If I click on this next action, these are the rules that I can pick and choose sorting order for my to-do list. I can have a rules for to-do list. So these are the rules that I've set. This is the sorting order that I have for to-do list. How should be displayed is being